Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. My car dolly, my right light is not working. I don't think it's working for anything. Brakes, none of that stuff. So I'm getting ready to test that dolly, see why that light's not working. Probably got a bad light or a broke wire somewhere. And the wire harness on that tow dolly, I'm going to check my harness wiring real quick, make sure it works right, and then jump on that tow dolly wire. Let's check that out real quick. I believe how this go is, this white wire is the ground. This brown wire is the parking lights, which should power both parking lights. Only one of them's working. This yellow wire is a left turn signal. This green wire is the right turn signal. I can confirm that with that box under there. It's a draw tie harness. Let me test this stuff out and see what I got. Make sure I'm getting power back here. Got my jump box hooked up. Come back here to my trailer. I got a left light and no right. Let me try bypassing the extension here. Same problem, bypassing the extension. No light. Oh, come on, light. I'm gonna take these screws out. See if there's something going on in there. Should have a light. Oh man. Well, I'm assuming that might be my problem. As soon as I took the light out, these wires are busted. So I'm gonna try to get these wires hooked back up and I should be good to go. Strange, these butt connectors are busted. I don't know what color's which, so I may pull that light out to double check. From the looks of this, they've been in here 2-3 times trying to fix this light. And I got multiple issues here with colors and splices. It's gonna be fun. So I was going to take this side off, but they probably had multiple issues with that side too because it's riveted. Oh man. So I'm going to hook this up so that I get power back on the parking, and I'm going to check which wire is the parking here. And then I don't know. I don't even know. I don't see a wiring diagram here, really. It says ground. Let me get up under this light, see if I can see it. Alright, so I got ground all the way to the right. I got tail in the middle and stop and turn on the right. This is ground. This is tail light, and this is stop and turn. So let me put power to the turn and the tail to see which is which. It appears that my middle is my ground, this is my tail light, and this is my stop light and turn light. So if this plugs in like this white would be the ground, this brown would be the tail, and this green would be the stop. Up here, I think brown is the tail too. Not sure why my flash went out. Yeah. Alright. Let's do it that way. I got the wires hooked up. Let's see if the light works. Hey, I got a parking light. Let me go see if I got a brake and a flasher. All I gotta do is move this red one over to this green one, and that should hook me up. And yes, I do. See that glow up there? I'm good to go. Now I'm gonna screw that back in, be done for the night. All three of my screws had plastic wrapped around them, which means they over tightened them and stripped out the holes. What a mess. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.